NATO countries have decided to transfer the Air Force to Ukraine 70 fighters and attack aircraft. The European NATO countries decided to transfer to the Ukrainian Air Force 70 combat aircraft from the aviation that is in service with countries such as Poland, Bulgaria and Slovakia. Initially, Poland announced its decision to transfer combat aircraft to the Ukrainian Air Force. However, later it became known that Slovakia would transfer 12 MiG-29 fighters to Ukraine, and Bulgaria 16 MiG-29 fighters and 14 Su-25 attack aircraft. Plus 70 aircraft for the Ukrainian army. Our partners are handing over MiG-29 and Su-25 to us. If necessary, they will be able to be based on Polish airfields, from which Ukrainian pilots will carry out combat missions, said the People's Deputy of Ukraine Oleksiy Goncharenko. According to current data, the following aircraft will be handed over to the Ukrainian Air Force in the coming days: 16 MiG-29 fighters of the Bulgarian Air Force, 28 MiG-29 fighters of the Polish Air Force, 12 MiG-29 fighters of the Slovak Air Force, 14 Su-25 attack aircraft of the Bulgarian Air Force. Such actions on the part of NATO countries can have extremely serious consequences and will certainly lead to retaliatory steps on the part of Russia, since the combat aviation provided to the Ukrainian Air Force will nightly pose a threat to the Russian side's special military operation in the Donbass.